The number bond is a model that students use to recognize the part and the whole when they are composing or decomposing numbers. That is, putting them together, adding, or taking them apart with subtracting. And it's important that students use this model in different orientations so that they are not confused when they see it a different way. Those parts always stay together, and one thing we talked about is having a space between the parts, and the parts only having one line that connects them, while the whole is by itself and it has two lines because the parts join together in the whole. So one way that students can use this is by having their parts, using whatever you have, 2 green Legos and 1 yellow Lego, and they can move it up to that whole number to see that 2 plus 1 equals 3. They could also use it when writing sentences, when they see that there are 2 green and 1 yellow, and then we have that representation here for that whole number. Then they could write that addition sentence as 2 plus 1 equals 3, or the reverse of that, 3 equals 2 plus 1. They can also use this number bond when doing subtraction. So let's take this one part away. Let's say we just have the 3 up here and the 2 in this part. So they could say 3 equals 2 plus blank, and they have to try and figure out what that is. And of course they could do the reverse sentence for that, which is 2 plus blank equals 3. Or they could also create a subtraction from this. They have the 3 and they are taking away the 2 green Legos, and that is going to equal that 1 yellow Lego. So it is important when you are practicing those addition and subtraction problems at home, you can use this number bond to give them a concrete model to use, and then have them fill in the parts or take away the parts to help with that fluency to 5. Have fun!